Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the third chapter of Standard 7 SS Government. The third chapter, Government. When we learn about the word government, we read in a newspaper again and again, magazine. Okay, government. What does it mean? What does it mean? My dear student, after the election, after the election, which whatever party gets majority, they frame the government in order to administrate the state or country. Got it? So what is called first thing, when any party gets majority, they frame government in order to run the state or country in a smooth way. Administration we can consider because of that. Okay. Now number one, my dear student, the government has three organs. The government has three organs. Number one, first one is legislature. First one is legislature. Second one is executive. And third one is judiciary. These are the three organs of the government. I think you have learned in standard 6 also. Okay. So government has three organs. Which are they? Legislature, executive and judiciary. Okay. They make law, they implement and they punish them. Got it? My dear student, here today we are going to learn about the work of government, how they function, okay, and how it is formed. Okay. Now in India we have BJP government. BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Why BJP government is there? Because in the election, Bharatiya Janata Party, they got more than half seats. More than half seats. That's why BJP government is in a center in Delhi. My dear student, same thing in Gujarat also. In Gujarat also we have BJP government. BJP means Bharatiya Janata Party. My dear student, how? First thing I will tell you that in Gujarat, when elections were held, at that time elections were in 182 cities. In 182 cities there were election in 2017. In 2017. Okay. My dear student, now what is the procedure? When elections were held in 2017, the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, they got more than 92 seats. They got more than 92 seats. It means more than half. So governor called BJP party to frame the government in Gujarat. Got it? So the party which gets majority, they frame government. Okay? So that is rule. Now second thing, in 2019, in 2019 there was election about Lok Sabha. These are called Vidhan Sabha. The election of Vidhan Sabha means Gujarat. Now in 2019 there was an election of Lok Sabha. And at that time the elections were held at 545 seats. How many seats were there? 545, and at that time BJP government won more than 273 seats. How many? More than 273 seats. So that's why they got majority and they framed government. Now you got what is called government, the ruling party. What is called the ruling party who frames, who who make he divides the field in each category and administer the nation or a country, that is called government. Got it? Now second thing. Now in Gujarat we have Vidhan Sabha. In Gujarat we have Vidhan Sabha. My dear student, have you visited Statue of Unity? If you have visited Statue of Unity, you know what is the height of Statue of Unity? The height of Statue of Unity is 182 meter. 182 meter. My dear student, it's not because of that, but we can consider that because of 182 seats, the height is kept. We can say it's not because of that only, oh my dear. In order to remember, I have just say like that, okay? Because seats can be increased. Seats can be increased. Today it is 182. After some years, it may be more than 200 or so. So don't say that suppose after some years the Vidhan Sabha seats are more than 200, we can increase the height of Statue of Unity. No matter, it is not there. But just to know, to remember, if somebody says what is the height of Statue of Unity, we can say 182. And if anybody says how many seats are there in Gujarat Vidhan Sabha, we can say 182. Okay? Just to remember, same number is there, that's why I am saying. What it? Now next thing, my dear student, now governor. Here today I am going to explain about governor. Can you say who is the governor? My dear student, governor is the first citizen of the state. He is the first citizen of the state. First citizen. Got it? My dear student, the entire state runs on his name. The entire state runs on his name. Now here I would like to say that chief minister is there in a state, chief minister, but we can consider governor is higher than chief minister. If anybody wants to do any work, the permission of governor is necessary in a state. Got it? Now second thing, my dear student, just I explain about seats here. Here I explain about seats here. Here I also explain about Lok Sabha, and here now I am explaining about governor. Got it? My dear student, the another characteristic of governor, my dear student, there is no election of governor. There is no election for the governor. He is directly appointed. He is directly appointed by the president. Directly appointed by the president. Okay, after the suggestion of prime minister. It means prime minister suggests the president that who can be appointed as a governor in so and so state. Got it? Third thing, my dear student, here when any bill is there, any bill is presented, and if it becomes the law, only and only after the sign of the governor in a state. Okay, after the sign of governor, a bill can pass and becomes the law. Got it? My dear student, once again I revise what we have learned today. Number one, okay, government. What is called government? What we can say ruling party. We can say ruling party, one who has majority in election, one who has got majority in election, they frame government in order to run the state or a country. Got it? Next thing, which are the organs of the government? So here I have written there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Okay, functions I have already said that they make law, they implement, and they punish them. Got it, my dear student? I also said about Vidhan Sabha of Gujarat. How many seats are there? 182 seats are there. Recently, in 2017, we had election, and in that election, Bharatiya Janata Party got majority. They framed the government in Gujarat. And same way, there was election in India about Lok Sabha, and at that time, out of 545, more than 273. Why I have written? They won many, but if less than 272 are there, less than 273 is there, it means they have no majority, and if they do not have majority, they cannot frame the government. Okay, so they won more than 273 seats. That's why BJP framed government in center Delhi. I also saying about governor. Okay, governor is the first citizen of the state. The governor is the first citizen of the state. He is appointed by the president with the discussion with prime minister. Got it? And next thing, my dear student, in the name of governor, in the name of the whole state runs, and by signing, after his sign, a bill becomes a law. We will learn more in the next video. Thank you.